up, everybody? I hope you're all doing great out there. Coming to you live from Los Angeles. Today is August 25, 2021. And for those living in the West, we've all waken up to the Bitcoin and altcoin markets tanking in price. We've seen a big dump in the price of Solana. It's down about 11%. Less than, I believe, $70 at the making of this video. And so we see a lot of other tokens dumping very hard. I know Avalanche is peaked at a new all-time high, but I mean, other than Avalanche and maybe a couple other tokens, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a good amount of most of the altcoins have taken a hard hit in terms of their price valuations. And so the topic I wanted to talk to you guys today about was whether or not what's going to happen next. I'm obviously not a financial advisor. Recently, we've seen Cardano hit a new all-time high too, taking up third place on CoinMarketCap in terms of being the token with the highest market cap. And so the question many are asking is, is this going to be a small cat? I guess I can put it this way: this is going to be a small cat drown. I guess I just literally made that up. Where the markets fall a little bit, maybe, or are we going to be seeing a bigger dump than what we're seeing right now? And I feel like we are. A lot of the big altcoins like Solana, and I guess I can say Litecoin and many others have taken a bigger hit than 10%, or around that mark, whereas Bitcoin is only down about 3%. And the question I'm looming to is whether or not if the Bitcoin price is going to go lower than this, or if this is the end of the dump. And with that said, I just want to go ahead and quickly say that I actually think it's going to dump more. We even might see Bitcoin go to $45,000. And guys, if you guys have been looking onto my previous videos, I've mentioned that there will be another bull type of a run, but it's not going to be this month. It's not going to be next month either. Many are pointing to September being it. However, I say wait for December and January. So guys, I'm telling you, in my opinion, I believe that December, January is exactly when we're going to be seeing a massive pump in prices again. If Bitcoin is going to hit $100,000, it's going to be then and there in either December or January. January 2022 and December 2021, which we're still a couple months away from. But again, guys, I know many YouTubers in which I really like, BitBoy and a lot of others are saying, hey, the next bull run just might be in September, and I think it was September 20. I don't know what the date was exactly, but I know a couple of them specified a date that's going to be the end of the bull run. But I actually have a hard time believing that, and the reason being is because unfortunately there's a lot of manipulation. And just based on the fundamentals and just based on where the cryptocurrency space is going in general, I personally highly suspect that the next bull run type of situation is going to be again in December, January. I just don't think it's going to be in September. I feel like if anything, in September would be a good time to buy, because I feel like we'll be seeing a good amount of price drops. So I do see that we will have one more type of a bull run before we hit the bear market, which is going to last a couple years minimally. But I do believe that bull run is going to be not in September, but I feel like it's going to be in December or early January. So either of those, the market is very manipulated, but at the same time, you guys have to know what you're doing. You have to understand the concept of buying low and selling high. I believe that's a general concept that many go by, but the mistake many make with that is they don't really know what the low is and the high is. And in the cryptocurrency space, there's a lot of scams too. So realistically, everything is kind of all over the place. Again, Avalanche hitting a new all-time high, Cardano hitting a new all-time high a couple days ago, Solana even hitting a new all-time high a couple days ago too. Peaked out about I think $81, $82. So guys, there's been a lot of things that have hit all-time highs that need to take a little bit of a chill break, a little bit of a chill pill, as they say. But right now, I think we'll be seeing the prices maybe slump a little bit. I've seen other YouTubers this morning myself saying that this is not the end of the Bitcoin price, and the Bitcoin price and the altcoin prices dumping. I feel like that's true. I feel like we'll probably see it go to like 46, 47, 45 maybe. I just don't know how long it'll last. I don't know how volatile it's gonna be, but I don't think we'll be seeing a $30,000 Bitcoin at least up until the next bear market. So we did see Bitcoin very what do they call it? Very temporarily at 33, 34,000, like about a month and a half ago, if you guys can recall. And then Bitcoin started just pumping back up again, hitting going up to 40, 45, and right now we're at approximately 47, back down from 50. So it was nice to see Bitcoin go from 30,000 back to $50,000, knowing that the bull longer, far more volatile. Because in 2017 everything went up, we would stay there, and then it just dropped back down. So it was just I think we'll see another slump of the price that we might even go down all the way to 42,000. And considering my opinion that Bitcoin and Bitcoin is going to have a massive pump in December or January of the next comes, I feel like we just might see a bigger slump of Bitcoin going maybe even to $42,000. I don't think we'll touch the 30s, but we'll likely get to 42, 43, and it's just going to hang around there. There was a video I did, I think it was in early June. I said that, hey guys, Bitcoin is going to be boring for these next 2 months. Bitcoin was literally just sitting at $35,000 for like those 2 months and just going up and down and for like a couple $1,000 a piece. Like 33 to 35 to 37, and then going back down and just alternating at those prices, being very boring for those 2 months until we actually saw Bitcoin start heading up to 37 and then 40, eventually breaking 37, then touching 40, 42, and then 40, 43, 46, and then we eventually got to $50,000. But now we're seeing a bigger slump. I mean, when companies, well, I don't want to say companies, I guess it's just not the right terminology. Whenever we see these tokens like Solana going down 10%, 11%, I am absolutely confident they know something, because realistically they weren't just pumping altcoins because they're more volatile to Bitcoin. But like Bitcoin may touch 43, 42, maybe 10, but I think for now we're going to be seeing a very slow slump price. So those that are margin trading, I really don't know what to say. I don't margin trading. I just find stuff as basic as it is, as straightforward as that is. I see something go low in price, I buy it. Just look at the historical charts. Make sure the project is still alive, and etc. Those all really matter a lot. I've seen a lot of changes recently. Delisting a lot of tokens. So if you guys have heard BT, BKI, they delisted some tokens, I think, because again, there's a lot of other tokens that don't really have any feature going to them in terms of them operating in terms of the United States, guys. We'll see what happens for the most part, but I feel like for now, Bitcoin is gonna not do very well. I think we're gonna be seeing $50,000 in the next 2 weeks. That's just my opinion. Only because Bitcoin is gonna drop a little more than what it is right now. So 44, 43. I mean, we're in August right now, so really expecting a little. I don't say a little nice, nice little run in December, January. We still have a couple months until then, so we just might see Bitcoin boring again. I don't see Bitcoin going to 35, but where things are right now, I just don't think it's going to recover to $50,000. Institutional investors, they obviously want to buy things cheap, so for them, it's just a waiting game and a lot of manipulation taking place to portion. But even stocks, even in almost any form of asset, there's always manipulation. If there is a controller at it, right? So, in the long term, next years, this the trading market, look at the short term and not a loss, because who wants to lose? I think Bitcoin right now is gonna be a little boring. I think we're gonna be seeing the slow prices. I think 38,000, 39, but I don't feel like we're gonna see bear market next year after. I think Bitcoin will see Bitcoin at $2 myself, and that's my take on it. But like other than very crazy going on in terms of certain altcoins pumping. I mean, the entirety of the altcoin market is pretty much dumped right now, by an average of 7 to 11%. Bitcoin being down about 3%. So that's in that remark. Uh, Many of the altcoins don't want to be giving out